Show that the function f of xy equals to square root modulus xy is not differentiable at the point 0, 0, but f of x and f of y exist at the origin. Hence deduce that these two partial derivatives are not continuous except at the origin. Solution: we have f of x 0, 0 equals to limit s tend to 0 f of 0 plus h 0 minus f of 0, 0 upon h equals to limit s tend to 0 0 upon h equals to 0 f of y 0, 0 equals to limit k tends to 0 f of 0 0 plus k minus f of 0, 0 upon k equals to limit k tends to 0 0 upon k equals to 0. If the function is differentiable at 0, 0, then by the definition f of h k minus f of 0, 0 equals to 0 into h plus 0 into k plus h phi plus h psi, where phi and psi are the function of h and k and tends to 0 as h and k tends to 0, 0. Putting h equals to r cos of theta and k equals to r sin theta. Now for a arbitrary theta r and r tends to 0, which implies hk tends to 0, 0. Taking the limit as r tends to 0, we get cos of theta modulus cos of theta plus sin cos of theta into sin theta raised to power 1 upon 2 equals to 0, which is impossible for all the arbitrary theta. Hence the function is not differentiable at 0, 0, and so the partial derivatives of f of x and f of y cannot be continuous at 0, 0. For xy not equals to 0, 0, f of x xy equals to limit s tend to 0 f of x plus h y minus f of xy upon h equals to limit s tends to 0 square root modulus x plus h into modulus y minus square root x into square root modulus x into modulus y upon h equals to limit s tend to 0 square root modulus h into modulus square root x plus h minus modulus x upon h into square root modulus x plus h plus square root modulus x. Now as h tends to 0, we can take x plus h is greater than 0, that is a modulus x plus h equals to x plus h when x is greater than 0 and x plus h is less than 0, or modulus x plus h equals to minus x plus h when x is less than 0. So f of x xy equals to 1 upon 2 square root of modulus y upon modulus x, which is when x equals to 0 and equals to minus 1 upon 2 square root of modulus y upon modulus x when x is less than 0. Similarly, f of y xy equals to 1 upon 2 square root modulus x upon modulus y when y is greater than 0 and equals to minus 1 upon 2 square root of modulus x upon modulus y when y is less than 0, which are clearly not continuous at the origin.